Yeah, and me too.
I want to see some smiling faces now.
Are you happy? You're happy? We say, are you a happy camper?
Pat, just for the record now, you tell me who these people are.
Oh, okay.
Starting on the right.
On the right. Okay, that's Miyuki on the right. Hi, Miyuki.
Hi.
And where are you from in Japan?
I'm from Shizuoka.
Shizuoka?
It's west side of Tokyo.
West of Tokyo. Oh, okay. All right. And you're going to be going home pretty soon, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh, we're going to miss you.
Too.
Okay. Are you going to keep writing to Sachiko? Will you write to Sachiko so we know? Okay. Yumiko, where are you from? Are you from Switzerland? No, you're not from Switzerland. You're from Denmark.
I'm from very mountainside in Japan.
Oh, from the mountain. Are you from Hokkaido?
Not that north, Tochigi Prefecture.
Tochigi Prefecture? Okay.
And my hometown is close to Nikko. Nikko is very famous tourist place.
Is that where they have the like the ice palace in the wintertime where everybody builds ice figures?
Oh, that's in Hokkaido.
That is in Hokkaido. Okay. Okay. Do you ski?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Downhill?
Downhill.
Yeah.
But I'm not good at that.
Oh.
But I just enjoy it.
Well, good. Yeah. And who's this girl in the middle? Where are you from, ma'am? You from South Carolina?
No, I'm from Denver.
This is Sachiko Miller.
Yeah.
Sachiko Miller. And do you have brothers and sisters, Sachiko?
I have older sister.
An older sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's going to come here maybe this winter.
Really?
This next winter?
This winter.
This
Yeah.
coming winter of 91?
Uh-huh.
Good, we'll get to meet her then.
Yeah.
Okay, we can have another daughter, huh? How about your brother out here? Your four-legged brother. Taterico.
Very good. What is this?
What is he doing? I don't know. Is he looking over the fence?
Yeah.
He's pawing, scratching at the fence? Okay. What's your last name? Tamanaha? Oh, like Naha Okinawa, huh? Tamanaha? Oh, okay. Tamanaha. Okay. Like Naha. Naha Okinawa. Right, okay. Tamanaha. Yeah, Tamanaha. But Masato. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
My first name is
Okay. And how old are you, Masato? 22. You're old enough to drink.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Is that
I am too.
somebody's at the door. We got to get you to go.
Hi, I'm Hugh. Masada.
And I'm Betsy.
Good to meet you. We saw all the data here. We thought maybe we were supposed to.
Hi, Betsy.
Oh my gosh.
Hi,
is
you.
this you?
Hi there.
I'm Peg and this is Bill.
Hi, Peg and Bill.
Well, I'm Doris.
Do we have to take off our shoes? Bob Peter. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Dolores. How are you?
Masato. Masato.
Hi, nice to
Real
meet you.
Seacrest, Masada.
Smells wonderful.
Konnichiwa.
Hi, how are you?
Your hard work, yes. Doris, you know, tell Doris what I just said.
She said this rice bowl for me. It means trash.
I thought rice was Komi. I said Komi and they looked at me, that means trash. I'm working so hard on this, not call it trash.
Well, remember when you said you introduced someone as Mrs. Fried Rice?
That's right. That's right. Mrs. Yeah, her name was one was Nakanishi and the other was Yamaguchi, and I introduced her as Mrs. Yamanishi, and I think they said that was Mrs. Fried Rice.
Chicken is done.
Chicken's done? Oh. Okay, you guys. You can sit wherever you like. I'm not going to tell you it's a boy girl or anything like that. Okay, Miyuki. Okay, please come out and somebody come sit down. If you can, we're trying to look at pictures. Wherever your legs feel best. Okay, so we're all
Let's live on the margin here.
okay, are you guys? You're hiding? It's already getting cold. All right, well, let's put a chicken here. And we'll put a chicken here. All right.
That's the south.
Okay. And Sachiko, if you want to sit in the middle someplace, and we'll let Miyuki sit someplace in the middle. And so, because we want to show you, have you show everybody how to use their chopsticks in case they don't know, okay? Where are you?
What is it? Lentil soup and black bean soup is my the way. And I love black bean
Yeah,
soup. That's what I
comparable to
did.
the way.
More tea, guys?
What goes with soybeans?
I'm
Boiled soybeans
doing that, Sachiko, I'm sorry.
Right, but it's got some cheese in it. But not a lot.
Sea extract, some salts.
Which isn't too bad for most people.
Please, just a
No.
Thank you.
Vegetarian fish?
Yes?
Yes.
Am I
Some
on
do,
the wrong
some
side?
don't.
I don't want to burn you.
There are different
I keep
levels
stepping on
of being
people's toes.
vegetarian.
I'm not looking, I'm not looking for.
Some people consider
toes in
themselves
that spot.
vegetarian if they just don't eat red meat.
Oh, I
Cute.
see.
Sure.
But eat eggs.
Refill here?
Notice maybe once I'm right under
All right.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they still consider it. And then, tofu's not my favorite, but there was one, and I don't know which one it was, that where it soaked up enough of the other stuff around it that it had
Tofu takes on flavor.
Bill, refill on your tea?
No,
But it does have a lot of fat.
Sachiko, gonna get your toe every time.
Is it
And when she says, don't touch the mustache, that means you're welcome. Don't touch the mustache. Don't touch the mustache. Is that right? Yeah. Don't touch the mustache. We always said in Okinawa, it sounded like don't touch the mustache. Arigato gozaimasu.
I thought you'd get on
Thank
and
you
get
very
it.
much. Oh, you did. Oh, I did. You didn't need your mother to tell you.
But I got I know I got some favors for my daughter's birthday party a while back.
Oh, do I get two? One for me and one for you?
Let's see, Arisato,
Arigato
arigato,
gozaimasu. All right.
Kind of like
No. Not like.
Thanks, Sachiko.
I think I'll cheat.
Are you off sugar as well?
No.
All right. Well, somebody in Japanese, can you make a toast or, I don't know, New Year's wish or something?
We don't kanpai with drink, but we can do it. Dessert.
You can do it with dessert? All right, well, we have a little treat after this too for those of you that do.
Oh, okay.
So, can you say something for the dessert?
For dessert?
Yeah. In Japanese? Then you can say anything you want and we won't know the
I
difference.
know.
You just do the
These
cook.
people are so
No, why don't we just say kanpai? It's
Come
Come
pie?
by.
Come pie? All right. Come
Come
pie. Cheers. Sorry. Skull. Chow.
does this have alcohol?
No. No alcohol in it. But it will be an unusual.
Now it's working, Mary.
Now take a picture of Jack.
But the battery's flashing, so that means I'm just about out of time.
Take a picture of Jack.
No.
Working.
Working?
Dedicated worker, working by
I wonder why Jack's working at the window, Mary.
Why are you working at the window, Jack?
It's because he's
I can't see nothing.
looking at the girls, I think, is what he's trying to do. Well, what can we say except welcome to Colorado? Tomorrow the weatherman says it's going to be 70 degrees.
I thought they were teasing. And Norris has a sister-in-law that lives in Walla Walla, Washington. Said absolutely not. They're famous. So.
They're really good. They're surprisingly sweet for an onion.
Well, Lazo, did you taste my onion bread?
Those big sweet Bermudas, those red ones, are pretty
Watch it. I'm coming. Hello.
the best onion rings.
Try that. Anybody else want a piece? Yeah. Onion bread? Yes, Sachiko does.
Sachiko's a student. She raises her hand when she
Yeah,
wants
she
something.
raises her hand. How about you? No. Kim? No? John?
Sure.
Sure. Just cut it in half for somebody, and I didn't get any tapers. Did you get some, Elena?
I'm gonna taste it first to see.
All right, sure.
Well, I see on Mother's Day you're doing your thing, Pat. You're being the waitress.
I'm being the mother.
Her mother.
No, this is not good.
But Father's Day, now Father's Day is different.
Yeah.
The father gets to do nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
When is that, Pat? When is that, Pat?
Third
When is
Sunday
that?
in June, I think.
Oh, it's probably about
I've never had that.
360 days a year.
Just 5 days left.
David will eat 6 meals a day.
It's amazing how much he eats and stays so slender.
I was thinking earlier today how many times today I put away the peanut butter jelly. And I've
When
always
Steve's
put that
home.
away. I'm always putting away peanut butter jelly.
See,
I
every
don't
time you
eat it.
turn around, it's out on the shelf.
I don't eat it.
It must be Steve. The people behind us have a chow, and they've gotten a chow puppy. So I think Rocky takes care of that puppy, and he feels responsible for the puppy. So that's the puppy who they're barking. Tater's gonna look through the fence. See
Well, I don't know where they were, but I looked up at the squirrel was still on the wire. This afternoon I said, there's a squirrel.
they go.
There they go.
I remember when I lived up on Steel Street, Honey used to get right up on her hind legs and dance all the way across the backyard as a squirrel went across the water. She'd go right underneath it, just hoping it would drop.
That's all they're looking for.
Oh, sure. Hoping they'll drop.
So then it runs to the next pole and teases it.
Well, they sit up on the tree, on the limb, and they'll look down at the dog, and you know, they'll get their tails doing this way.
Oh,
And the squirrel goes tip, 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 with that tail going and looking down at the dog's looking up and going crazy.
Okay, it's recording. All right, now you jump rope with it. Now let's see a hula hoop with it. All right, way to go. Look at him go. All right. Woo. Hey, way to go. All right. Whoa.
Ooh, up and down, huh?
Woo. All right. Oh, let's have a little applause here. Yay, go for it.
It goes down around my ankles right away.
All right, look at that hip action.
Why don't you
Woo.
try it? I will.
Woo. Look at him go. Telephone.
How's that bone-headed dog anyway, huh? He's still just as
Did you get enough to eat, Laszlo? Laszlo, did you have enough to eat?
Oh yeah.
Hey, you almost fell
How
out.
about
An idea for America's Funniest Home Videos.
How about if you do that?
Well, you don't have any dishes to do anyway.
Well, it's clean. Ooh, boy, everything.
All
You
right.
wash the dishes. I think, how many? You did the laundry? You did the laundry too?
Yeah.
No, good.
All right.
Yeah, I can take a nap.
John, you need something to wipe off on?
Dryer? Oh, well.
A washcloth or
Usually,
towel?
He never do dishes. He doesn't like to do that. Oh, no.
Looks to me like Father's Day, Norris.
Yeah. Sure, but it is Mother's Day.
That's a pretty good card, isn't it?
The same one? Okay. I think last year.
Okay. For my wife. Read it, Laza.
Yeah.
For my wife, sometimes I like working, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I like dress neatly, and sometimes I won't. Sometimes I will do, I'm just lazy. But always and ever, I love you like crazy. You hear that?
That's from Norris.
Happy Mother.
Let me see. Sometimes I don't.
Sometimes I don't do it. I just want to do anything.
Here I thought I was recording and I wasn't. It was on pause.
Grandma,
Yes, David?
I got an idea for America's Funniest Home Videos.
Okay, what?
Oh.
Try and get Tater to jump through the
I am a new service.
All right. That's a good trick.
America's stupidest dog trick.
That was nice. That was very nice from you.
Tater, come up here. Tater.
Oh, Teddy used to jump through the hoop. Oh.
Was that telephone for me, Sachiko? Was it for me?
It was Masa? All right.
He's back in Japan. Huh?
Did he call to wish me happy Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do they have a Mother's Day in Japan?
Yes.
Was yesterday?
Yesterday?
Well, it's Monday there now.
Oh, so it's the same sort of, same time.
Yes, same time.
Oh.
Mother's Day also same day.
Did they borrow that from us, or did we borrow it from Japan? We borrowed.
And Valentine's Day. Yeah.
Why not?
But they borrowed Valentine's Day?
Yeah, and Mother's Day.
Christmas?
Christmas.
Yeah. But no St. Patrick's Day? No green beer?
And no 4th of July.
Thanksgiving?
No, Thanksgiving.
No Thanksgiving. April Fool's Day? Oh, okay.
Now, what was the big holiday just a week ago? Like white something?
Oh no, Golden.
Golden Week? And what is that to celebrate? Just
I don't eat Japanese one. I don't know how to translate.
you don't know how to say that, huh? What are they doing? The hoop?
They're teaching her to jump through the hoop. All I'm getting is your posterior. Oh, look at her.
You know, dummy. She wants the potato chips.
She's a smart girl.
It's easier to go around. Look at her.
Maybe she needs Tater to show her how to do it.
Yeah, Tater will show her. Won't you, Miss T?
Nurse,
Lower it again,
now I'm
lower
so
it
close up on Teddy. What if I want to get back away?
Push the back end of the bar.
Oh, the
there.
back end. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh, okay.
Dog's not gonna do anything, but I keep on going through. Oops.
So I do it from the chest.
It's funny, I was thinking she used to do that when she was little.
Yeah, she did.
She forgot now.
Oh, won't she?
Oh, she's just spoiled.
Won't?
Oh, so good.
Sure, long enough.
1, 2, oops, 1.5. 1.
You gotta make some exercise.
She says, I'm not gonna do it for nothing.
Done at the base.
Sounds good.
All right, Kim. All right, look at Kim go. Woo, there she goes. Woo.
You don't have my other. You don't.
Okay, David, keep going. Looks like you're doing it too.
I knew she'd get into it sooner or later.
You going to get a job? Help his father?
You can't do it without your slippers?
Well, I can. I try. What does he do? Masa? He's been a job.
There you go. Yay. All right.
Did he?
All right. Woo.
Crisscross.
Oh, David, that's super.
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. All right, David, are you doing it too? All right. Let's see that crisscross again, David. That was kind of neat.
Okay.
Can you do that, Monica?
Crisscross.
Oops.
That was neat.
It started first.
Woo! All right. Way to go. Okay.
Field day. I've seen those. Oh, that's sweet.
Tater, you gonna jump? Jump, Tater, jump.
Jump. Tater, jump. Hey, I gotta go.
All right, look at Sachiko go. All right, way.
Can you go backwards? Back? Yeah, back. I used to be better at backwards though.
All right, yay. Good job.
I had a hard start. I can't get through it. I can't get through it though. See? I got it through.
Oh, yeah, pretty good.
Is it just not long enough, Monica? Because your legs are so long.
Remember,
Pretty sure.
that's probably one of the symptoms.
Well, John, when you catch it, we'll know.
Oh, don't catch it, John.
What's up there?
They're studying it at CDC.
Oh my.
Well, they're gonna send some guys there to go collect them, bring them back.
Samples, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, please don't.
Well, they have all kinds of nice stuff in that building. Cholera and yellow fever.
Oh, great. AIDS?
No,
No AIDS?
not now. They did that, but they got out of it. There's too much money in it, so they, you know, the government, they can't stand having any money, so they gave all that away.
Mm.
It was too big a project
Yeah.
for. But they do. They have done in the past. They did all the stuff with equine encephalitis and that kind of thing. But now it's going more local. They have the local health
Lyme
departments work
disease?
on it. Yeah, they
Oh,
have a big thing on Lyme disease they're working on right now.
That's becoming more and more prevalent.
Yeah, it is.
Strange. It's spreading from out east.
What they're
Of
worried
course, we
about
have
is,
Rocky Mountain tick fever here. We don't need another tick disease.
well, if Lyme disease, what they found out that it can live in the ticks that we have out here. It lives just fine. It's called
Oh, dear.
Borrelia or something. but they haven't found that.
Easy, I'm
like
afraid
the
of that.
white tick and the sheep tick are good vectors. So that's what they're really concerned about. Because if they find that they're a good vector for that bacillus, then we're in trouble out here. But so far it hasn't. It hasn't found any other thing than that deer tick back east.
Whoops.
Where's Ted?
He died. He burned out.
She's been tired ever since.
Oh, that's right.
Here. Here.
What are you trying to do, Dave?
You gotta get your thing stuck up in the tree.
Trying to get the rope up in the tree?
Right. You end up getting stuck up in the ground.
Hey, what are you doing?
I did that the other day. Got a thing
You
about
don't know?
getting things caught in trees these days.
Or maybe one.
Ooh.
I heard a limb crack.
That one's not strong enough to
The battery's dead now.
Oh no!
There's another one downstairs
Where?
by the camera case.
Oh, he's gonna hang himself. Wow. You need a safety belt, John?
Got one, it's orange. Ooh. Watch him get down now, he'll just go right on down.
Boy, I hope.
I want to see you shimmy down the rope, honey. Well, don't forget to tie it first.
You can go ahead and break that dead limb off if you want to, John. While you're up there. Great. All right. Yeah, there's a number of dead ones up there. Anytime you like.
I'm tired.
So now we can straddle it like a horse. All right, John. Ooh. Yeah, I don't mind David swinging, jumping, or anything.
Need a saw?
David.
Wait till
Not
John.
while John's up there.
Wait till John comes down, sweetie.
I want you to swing the branch around while he needs his balance.
All right, here he comes. Yay! All right.
Now back up.
All right.
Another kid like Mark, you know, one of the ones that would do anything.
David?
For a thrill. And John.
Oh. I was gonna say, I think David's pretty cautious.
No,
He is, yeah.
Well, Kim, I have to tell you this. I think I was far more wild than I've seen anything that David's ever done.
Honey, that's not surprising.
No, that's not surprising for me at all.
My
How
girlfriend.
many other people have a mother who got run over by while she was racing ostriches? You know, I mean, come on.
Dave, if you're not gonna use that thing, put your foot in
Bitten
and
by
take
a
that knot
horse,
out.
kicked by a dog, and run over by
Okay,
an
'cause I
ostrich.
don't want you to get hung up in.
All right.
Yeah, I was climbing those 80-year-old cottonwoods. I remember me and King Humphrey chopped down the top about 10 feet of his parents' evergreen in his front
Oh.
yard.
I bet they loved you for that.
Yeah, it was nice and flat up there, so we could build a fort, you know.
On the top of an evergreen.
Yeah.
Right.
I remember when my brother and his friend had an axe. It didn't take long to get in trouble.
I know I'm not going to be using it much for my foot.
When I was 9, 10, and 11 years old, my best girlfriend's father was a senator in New Jersey. Lois Herbert was her name. And she had 2 or 3 older brothers, and they had built a fort way back in the woods behind their house. And the only way to get in there was to swing from tree to tree on a vine. And if you fell, or if you let go, or in any way hit the ground, it was 6 feet deep in brambles. So you did not let go for any reason. You hung on and you swung to the next tree and landed on a branch and grabbed a vine and you let go of that one and took off again for another one. That's how you got to the clubhouse. And when you got out there, nobody bothered you. And I mean, we had to be a half-mile back in the woods that way, and that was the only way to get there. If you dropped, it was nothing but solid brambles. It just ripped you to shreds.
You know, out there by just north of Bellevue, where Little Dry Creek comes across, and they have all those real huge homes over on the left-hand side, and now they've got some over there, but you know how that's a ravine down in there,
Yeah.
the way Little Dry Creek goes in there?
Yeah.
Well, when we were kids, Jamie and Susie and one of his little friends or whatever, they had a cable that ran from the top of a telephone pole all the way across that ravine, probably 50 feet off the ground, to a tree down on the other side of the ravine, and there was like a tree house in there.
Yeah.
And we used to ride that thing. It had one of those little things that you just hang on with a wheel.
Yeah,
It was like,
yeah.
whoop.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Good,
That's
good.
wonderful. I was afraid I'd raised you all wrong. Not ever having fun like that.
Probably a miracle we made it.
Oh,
And we used to do it like there was a long rope attached to it. And we started at the treehouse. And they started me at the treehouse one day. And I was hanging on, and Jamie and one of his little buddies were along the bottom of the ravine pulling me down. We got about halfway there, and their rope ran out. So it's
They had to
all
let go.
hanging about halfway over this ravine going, come on, you guys. And they're like, well, we could let go, or we could just stay here and hold on until she drops. Let go.
I'm going to do
Okay, introduce us to this young lady.
Come on, she's gonna film.
She's Melissa Sue. She was born Friday, May 24th. 7 pounds, 10 ounces.
Oh my,
20 and a half inches long.
that's a lot of pretty hair.
My Kim was so bald, you didn't know she was a girl till she was 3 years
Thank
old.
you. Really? Tiffany had some hair, but she was just So blonde, you couldn't see it.
Blonde foot. Oh, scat. Oh, scat. Look at there. Brother brought you a toy. There's a toy. First thing your brother brought. What are you catching, Kurt?
Moths?
Moth. He won't take your picture if you're being silly. Go ahead and look for the moth.
Got one.
Got one? Ooh, yeah.
Roger,
Watch it, you don't want to trip on that step.
Mom is this.
They're obvious story. Did you ever read that Reader's Digest story that was what the second greatest Christmas story ever told? Something about how they did at the school. They did a Christmas story, but they had a bunch of Spanish children with black kids, and all the kids had their different parts in the Christmas story. And then how the kids started ad-libbing when it came time for the play.
Morning.
Did you videotape me blowing my nose?
Sure.
Wouldn't that be funny if I had that one?
Okay.
Is this the White River in Glenwood Canyon? How many gallons did Dwayne say it was running?
I don't remember.
Fast. Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming.
All right. Zero in on that blue lump down there.
Okay.
That inert object next to the number 25. Has nothing to do with 25 years, I assure you.
It sure is still.
But it's quite a lump.
Yes, it is.
And every time we go camping, that lump appears on top of a picnic table.
Huh.
So I think your next best bet would be to go down there and investigate and see if you could get up a little closer and find out what that lump is. It could be dangerous.
It certainly is close to the water.
It certainly is quiet and still.
Well, we'll go investigate in a minute. Morning.
All right.
Good morning.
Morning.
How did we sleep?
What?
How did we sleep?
Good.
Well, that's good. This is a little closer examination of the lump that we observed from a little higher up.
Get this one over here, over here.
I introduced myself on the top of the stairs. Girls, you could go do your exercises and let Nars take a picture of you doing your James Bond here early in the morning.
Let's see, guys.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Morning.
What's for breakfast?
Elder's pound cake. Yeah.
All right.
Corn.
You're awfully quiet.
Coffee that Jerry brought us.
Okay.
Peace. Bread.
Yeah, good thing I didn't cut all
Milk over there on the table. You may need to take a glass or cup.
Let me take this. There. Oh, we've got many more. I didn't cut them all up. Guys, come on, eat.
Okay.
Salt. Salt is right here. Where's salt?
Can you come back later?
Yeah, salt. Okay, what can I do for you? There's dark bread, white bread, butter, and jam, pound cake. You want
Cereal, there's bread over there, pound cake. Sausage sandwich. Darn near
You don't want cereal?
Well, maybe a little
Okay.
bit.
Have you had one yet?
Is there anything left, Arlene?
We have.
What?
Is there anything left?
Some left.
Yeah, but not much. You might want to get in line.
See, what I want to do is open it.
Yeah.
All right, well then let's just change the battery now and then.
Did you see that flashlight
Yeah.
flashing?
Okay.
Well, this hasn't gone quite as planned, obviously, because of the rain. So let me do a few
Pretty
more
wet
things
this
and then
morning.
maybe
Dwayne
this
is talking. We're having a group
afternoon,
session.
We can save some time and not get to the Bible and all that. Here's the biblical principle I was after in all the midst of the rain. When we're struggling, when we're in the rapture, when
This is
our
finishing up our
life
session.
is sinking, or you have a sinking feeling, emotional, spiritual, whatever, the good news is there's one who can walk on water. Now the not so good news is it's hard for us to walk on the water. We're more like Peter.
Kids are assigned to the particular boats. They have been instructed for safety reasons how to hold the paddles. All life jackets have been fastened.
The button's beeping.
River, here we come. It is an overcast day. Has rained already several times on us. Hopefully we'll stay dry. Kit, this is the most daring crew here. They're going in the smallest, wildest bouncing raft with Dwayne. By Michael and Kristen. Attention. They can't wait to put their paddles in the water. Who is
Whose
this
paddle is this?
interfering? Aha,
Whose paddle
yeah.
is this?
Ivan. Have hers. Kids get assigned positions on the boats. You see they're all wrapped up.
All right, Pat's right.
Well, we all made it safe off the river. We did cut our trip a little bit short because of rain and cold, but we still had a good time. We are now at a park in Glenwood Springs when we are eating sandwiches, and everything is just fine. We have a basketball game going.
First boat is in the rapids. Second one is approaching fast. Next one has the courage to go towards the middle of the river. They're still in an eddy.
Everybody ready?
Off they go. Bye guys, have a safe trip. Here they go. This is our last boat, and off it goes. I will meet them downriver at the Rock Garden Campground. Rock Garden Campground in No Name, just outside of Glenwood Springs. We had 8 campsites right here, pitching our tents along the river, listening to the loud gurgling of the water, and the train zooming by on the other side up above the riverbank. And I'm here now to wait for the first raft to arrive here and catch them as they come by this spot. Here's the last boat, going fast. They're really cruising down the river.
At the same time, they both go boom, and I'm like,
Dude, that hard. You have to realize that your muscles are a lot bigger than our muscles.
This is Saturday morning, June the 15th or 16th. Sorry I don't have that program. This is the group of young adults from the St. Andrew United Methodist Church. we are gathered by the river. Dwayne Wilterdink leaving the study. You see the river in the background.
So the sod part is called this part. Ruach is the breath power of the spirit. And when one of our told is a Russian microphone, so go Ruach.
The river as it runs past our campsite, and soon we'll be on rafts riding this river down past Glenwood Springs. Perhaps we should be playing Smoke Gets in Your Eyes.
No.
Hi, you guys! Woo! This is what you do if you have a man overboard. Do they have him yet? Is he getting back in? Life after the rapids. Glenwood Canyon Rapids, and away we go. What not to do? Craziness.